Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Bank of America to secure DSCR loan options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Bank of America website. Navigate to the Loans or Mortgage section on the homepage. Look for information specifically related to DSCR loans. Read through the offered details about DSCR loan options. Check the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. Locate the Get Started or Apply Now button. Create a Bank of America online account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and address. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email address by following the instructions sent to your inbox. Once logged in, return to the Loan Application section. Select the DSCR loan option from the list provided. Complete the application form with your financial details. Include information about your income and any rental properties. Review your information for accuracy before submitting. Submit your application for processing. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. Log into your online account for updates on your application. Check if additional documentation is required and respond promptly. Once approved, review the terms and conditions of your loan carefully. Finalize your loan agreement by following the specified procedures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.